Twinmotion includes a vast collection of 3D tree models, but if you want a more detailed model, you can purchase one from an online store and import it into Twinmotion. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. I will load a previously purchased beech tree collection. The collection has arrived. The trees look really good. I will delete the starting base. It looks like the trees are floating in the air, but in reality, the starting ground is set to -40 centimeters. I will adjust it to 0 centimeters. The trees imported with materials, but they don't look great. So, I will modify these materials. In the Materials section, I select the foliage material. Once I apply this to the leaves, they will react to the wind. That's a cool effect, but for now, it's distracting. So I'll turn it off. I'll replace the first texture. There are various adjustment options, but I won't need them now. I'll add the opacity texture. I have a translucency texture. A roughness texture. And finally, a normal map. There is also a tint color texture. Let's review what we have added. Translucency is most noticeable when looking at the leaves with the sunlight behind them. It controls how much light passes through the leaves. I will reset the slider. There is also an ambient occlusion map. Roughness adjusts light reflection. I'll set it to 30%. The normal map defines depth details. Now that the leaf material is set up, I want to apply it to all trees at once. So I'll drag and drop it here to unify the material across all trees. Now back to the trunk. It already has a material, but I'll adjust its reflectivity. This can be adjusted from a plastic-like shine to a matte finish. I'll set it to 60%. I won't modify anything else. This is the original material. I didn't use the foliage material. The tree has two bark materials. To identify them, I'll temporarily turn the texture black. The tree consists of three materials: leaves, trunk, and thin branches. When I exported the model, I wasn't sure how I would use it, so I set it up this way. But now, I think it's best to merge these elements. I'll apply the materials. Now I'll reset the color to white, and it's done. From now on, all trees' leaves and trunks can be modified together. These extra materials are no longer needed. The tree is complete and beautifully reacts to sunlight. Let's see how it looks with Lumen and with Path Tracer. I'll stick with Lumen. It looks fantastic. Now, let's explore the foliage settings. There are Use Global Season and Force Seasons options. This means leaf colors can be adjusted individually based on seasons. Summer, Autumn, Winter, Spring, and back to summer. In the Ambience Environment section, I can adjust the entire scene by season. Nothing changed because the leaves weren't set to global mode. Another exciting feature is the wind effect. The foliage moves nicely. The animation is designed this way. It shifts the leaves. The branches don't move. But from a distance, it looks great. I can adjust wind strength, add rain, or change wind direction. A little snow is falling. Snow accumulates on the leaves. In winter, there aren't many leaves left. This is how it looks. I will reset everything now. Here's another cool feature. I will add the tree collection to the user library. It has been added. Now, I can create my own forest using the scattering tool. I'll adjust the diameter. As long as I have only this many trees, Lumen and the standard render work beautifully. The shadows look much better with Lumen. However, when I expand the scattering area, the trees disappear in the preview, and unfortunately, in the rendered image too. Lumen cannot handle this amount of detail. When I move closer, some shadows and unfinished shapes appear. I'll adjust the camera to a normal height. Now, I'll turn on Path Tracer. And here's the stunning forest. I'll turn off the fog. The Path Tracer does not respond to animations. For example, rain does not appear. I'll set up an autumn scene. And a winter one. With proper render settings, the result can be entirely photorealistic. But I'll show that in another video.